Hello students, welcome to my journey. In this session we are going to see exercise 7.2, sum number 38 and 39. 38 is choose the best answer. We have to choose which is the correct answer, whether it is A, B, C or D. So let us move into the sum. The question is integral 10 x power 9 plus 10 power x log to the base e 10 dx divided by x power 10 plus 10 power x. So we just take the substitution as t is equal to x power 10 plus 10 power x. That is the denominator value we are going to take the substitution. After taking the substitution, we used to differentiate. So differentiate with respect to x. So dt divided by dx is equal to x power 10. If I used to differentiate it, we get 10 x power 10 minus 1. So first let me write the formula. D by dx of x power n is equal to n x power n minus 1. That is the differentiation of x power n. And the other formula which we are going to see here is differentiation of a power x. That is d by dx of a power x. The value is a power x log to the base e a. So when I differentiate x power 10, we get 10 x power 10 minus 1 is 9 plus 10 power x. 10 power x is nothing but in the place of a I am having 10. So we get 10 power x log 10. So that is what written, 10 power x log to the base e 10. So from this I need the value of dx. So first let me cross multiply. Dt is equal to 10 x power 9 plus 10 power x log to the base e 10 into dx. So now I have to get the value of dx. So dx is equal to dt divided by 10 x power 9 plus 10 power x log to the base e 10. So we just highlight the t value and dx value. This is t value and dx value. I highlighted this. Now we are going to substitute the value of t and dx in the equation 1. So let me mark. So here mark this to be as equation 1. So equation 1 implies integral, the first value 10 x power 9 plus 10 power x log to the base e 10 dx, okay, 10 divided by this particular value is nothing but t. So t into dx value is nothing but dt divided by 10 x power 9 plus 10 power x log to the base e 10. So we had written this. After that we can see that both the numerator and denominator gets cancelled. So we are left with integral dt divided by t plus dt divided by t. So now the value of integral 1 by t is nothing but log t. So let me write the formula. The formula for integral of 1 by x is nothing but log mod x. So in the place of x I am having t. So we get the value to be as log mod t plus c. So the t value is nothing but log mod x power 10 plus 10 power x. X power 10 plus 10 power x plus c. So this is nothing but I can write the positive value. So we get log x power 10 plus 10 power x plus c. So this is nothing but option D is the correct answer. Next, moving towards sum number 39. This is also a choose the best answer. We have to choose which is the correct option. So the question is integral dx divided by sin square x cos square x dx. Okay. So I can write this dx as 1 into dx into divided by sin square x cos square x. So we know the identity that 1 is nothing but in terms of trigonometric identity, I can write it as sin square theta plus cos square theta. So in the place of 1 I can write sin square x plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x. So I am writing the formula trigonometric identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So now I can split this division part. So this I can write it as integral sin square x divided by sin square x cos square x sin square x cos square x plus into dx. This dx is common for both sin square x and cos square x. Okay, plus cos square x divided by sin square x cos square x sin square x cos square x into dx. So here cos square x get cancelled, sin square x gets cancelled. So we are left with 1 divided by integral 1 divided by cos square x dx plus 1 divided by sin square x dx sin square x dx. So now I am going to write some formulas. 1 by cos theta is nothing but secant theta, that is the inverse of cos theta is secant theta and the inverse of sin theta is cosecant theta. So 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta, and the other formula which we are going to see is integral, that is integral secant square theta is equal to tan theta, and similarly integral cosecant square theta is equal to minus cot theta. So we just substitute this value 1 divided by cos square theta to be as secant square theta, that is here secant square x, plus 1 divided by sin square x is nothing but cosecant square x into dx. So this value is nothing but 1 secant square theta integral is tan theta that is tan x. In the place of theta I am having x, so tan x plus cosecant square theta integral is minus cot theta, so it is minus cot x plus c. So the option B is the correct answer.